I knew that she gon' notice me. Listen to Beverly Hills, been on double C, she might pop a pill.